Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen that gold is trading at a level of $33.57. If you look at this particular trend, what we have seen since 4-5 days, it is continuously in the range. And I've already explained you that suppose if there is a big event is coming, so if it has to go up, it will halt for some time. That is, it will go upside, as well as if it has to come down, it will move in this particular range. Okay, then this happened after there's a big movement comes. You have seen there is already a big movement, and then from there moved upside, and then it was in this range. So probability can be higher that if the price keep moving in this range, and as soon as it breaks a level of $2042, a further upside movement we can see. This is as per day wise chart. If you go on a weekly chart, you will see clearly that there is a higher chances it can go further upside, because there are three patterns of forming this similar pattern, and before that also there is a pattern of 2012 to 2020, this pattern, and then these three patterns are forming. After that there is a continuous upside we have seen, and probability of going further upside we can see, because there is higher chances that if the price keeps sustaining above that level, we can see it will cross a level of $2048, and from there is a higher chance. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. See, this is the level why we have seen that the dollar index is trying to go further down, and there is a higher chances that we can see it will go further low. And once the dollar index will go further down, then there is a higher chances that we can see that the price of gold tries to go upside. This is one of the reasons. See, there is a clear pattern forming, and I've already explained that if the price started moving below a level of $102.41, the dollar index, then chances of moving further low we can see in the price of dollar, and then from there a further fall we can see towards a level of $101.214. This is what we can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, and overall trend, if you look at, there is a clear pattern forming. So there is a higher chances that if the price keep moving below a level of $101, a probability of going below $100 we can see in the price of dollar index. But if the price started moving above a level of $104.6, then a further upside we can see. And then if the price started going up this level, we can see that the gold can move further low. Okay, now let's see a gold chart where you will see clearly that how the price of gold can move. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video to understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. See, there is a continuous upside we have seen since 2 weeks, and chances can be high that if the price keeps sustaining this level, we will see it will cross a level of around $2047, which is already being a weak resistance. So chances are high it will cross that level, and it will go above a level of $2048, and from there a probability of touching a level of 2075. This is a higher chances of touching this particular level after crossing a level of 2048. Chance of going towards 2075 will be there, and if it started going above that level, we will see it will sustain that level, and a probability of going towards 2081 is there. Once the price started moving above a level of 2081, then a probability of going towards 2145 is there, because this level is already being a weak resistance. So chances are high that we will see it will cross that level, and chances of touching a level of 2145 is there. Once the price started sustaining over 2145, started going above that level, a further high we can see. Okay, now you have to understand something. See, market is uncertain, and if you look at the after pandemic, we have seen there is a continuous upside we have seen, and this pattern was being repeated. Okay, and this similar U pattern is being created after the pandemic. There's a 2 years pattern, this is a 8-month pattern, and this is 5 or 6 month pattern. Similarities are same. Now there is a higher chances because similar pattern is also forming. So if it started going up $2048, a further upside movement we can see, and from there a probability of crossing a level of 2147 is there, and then from there a further upside. So now understand, when the market is uncertain, okay, market is uncertain, so always try to set your SL. Okay, if you are setting your SL, you will save your capital. If you are trailing your SL, you will save your profit. These two things you can do. Okay, if you are doing these two things, then you are sustaining, you can sustain for a longer period of time. That you have to understand. Okay, because these, if you are sustaining with your SL, that means if you are creating your SL, it will save a capital, and if you are saving your capital, then you can trade more. And okay, and if you are in profit and if you are trailing your SL, then the profit you can save and you can take that home. Then there is a high probability that your confidence will be built and capital will be built, and then you can take much of a risk, and then you can trade better. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, it can come down towards its next resist support at a level of $22, and if it started going below that level, a further fall we can see towards the level of 2011. Once the price started falling below 2011, chances of touching a level of $20.08 is there. Okay, and if the price started moving below this particular level, we will see it will fall below a level of $1990, and it will touch a level of 1995. If the price started moving below this particular zone, chance of touching a level of 1988 we can see, and from there a further blow. Started moving below a level of 2000, we can see a level of around 1995. From there we can see a level of 1995, and from there a probability of touching a level of 1985. If the price started falling below that level, a further fall we can see towards a level of $1973. From there a level of around 1963, and if it started going below that level, we will see a level of 1961. Okay, and once the price started moving below 1961, then there is a clear pattern of further falling, and we can see there is a higher chances that a probability of going towards $1954 is there. Okay, and if it started moving below this level, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 1947, and from there a further fall. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'll give you the mail ID is also in the description. Okay, till the time it is not moving below a level of $20.08, we will not see a further fall. Okay, and a probability of further upside we can see. As you can see that there is a higher chances of going further upside. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'll give the mail ID also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.